Another thing I want to bring to the attention to all law enforcement officials out there that are investigating this case is that we've received information from Martina Reporting Agency and Attorney Andrew Epstein that the videotape deposition that he took of the witness in December has been damaged. We're also requesting that Attorney Andrew Epstein provide us with a copy of the one that is in possession. As of this day, Attorney Andrew Epstein has refused to provide us with a copy of the videotape deposition of the witness that he took. And also, we find it criminally suspicious that the one that he did take, that was surrendered to us, has been returned and sent to us damaged. It is more than obvious and evident that there is something sinister, evil, and criminal and demonic that Attorney Andrew Epstein is trying to conceal and hide. However, when you commit a heinous, evil, demonic crime like this, there's nowhere to hide it, because God don't like no ugly. And justice will catch up with Attorney Andrew Epstein. It's just a matter of time. Thank you. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Enzo Vincenzi. Behind me is the attorney of law firm of Andrew Epstein. He was retained to file a real estate verified cross-claim list pendants. This is documents that he sent to me verifying that he filed a real estate verified cross-claim list pendants. Unfortunately, we were advised by Alpha Group investigators, Investigator Frank Shea and Investigator Denise Shea, to file a Florida bar complaint. Right here we have a Florida bar complaint that's been filed against Attorney Andrew S.EPSTEIN. The Florida bar complaint states that on November 15, 2010, Attorney Andrew Epstein legal complaint was never received with no response. A Florida bar, August 29th, 8-page, signed and notarized civil, state, and federal criminal complaint against Attorney Andrew S. Epstein has been filed and sent certified mail to the Florida Bar Department. Witness to this criminal complaint against public corrupted co-conspirator Attorney Andrew S. Epstein, conspiracy crimes, is Alpha Group investigators, Investigator Frank Shea, Investigator Denise Shea, and witnesses Unlimited Money 101 in New York, Florida, Investigator Bob Nygaard. Attorney Andrew S. Epstein has in fact committed felony conspiracy crimes with co-conspirator Attorney Michael David Randolph by deliberately committing a fraud upon the court and theft of counsel services against the clients Enzo Vincenzi and Leone Mason Contracting. The Florida Bar has an obligation and responsibility to take appropriate legal actions against any attorney who has committed any unethical, unprofessional, criminal conduct against their clients. The immoral, evil, demonic, inhumane, barbaric conspiracy crimes Attorney Andrew S. Epstein and mortgage broker David Cooksey have in fact committed with fortune teller Miriam Pacheco is horrendous and outrageous. The evil fortune tellers, fraud, conspiracy, cover-up crimes of Andrew S. Epstein committed in this organized scheme to defraud and mortgage fraud exploitation of an elderly disabled person with Miriam Pacheco, also known as La Madrina Miriam, and co-conspirators is the most gross, disgusting, despicable, unethical, unprofessional conflict of interest, civil, state, and federal felony violations committed against his own clients. There is a $100,000 cash reward for any information leading to the arrest and the conviction of Attorney Andrew S. Epstein and Attorney Michael David Randolph's fortune tellers, fraud, conspiracy, real estate, verified cross-claim, and list pendants, case number 08CA007214, cover-up. And the Florida Bar license numbers of Attorney Andrew Epstein is 959899820, and Michael David Randolph, Florida Bar number 119970. It is attorneys like Andrew Epstein and Michael David Randolph that have destroyed the economy in Lee County by robbing and stealing people's property with unethical, unprofessional, immoral, public corrupted ethics. And it is the most humane thing to rob and steal somebody's property when you go to retainer services for counsel service to be represented, to have your property returned back to you, and instead what do? They engage in the criminal conspiracy cover-up to take the property away, just like the perpetrators who took the property from me to begin with. It's no longer whether Attorney Andrew Epstein evil deeds are going to be discovered. They already, in fact, have been discovered. Now it's up to the Florida Bar. It's up to the Florida Bar to take legal actions against this co-conspirator, attorney Andrew S. Epstein, to see to it that he's permanently disbarred from practicing law in the state of Florida for the crimes he has knowingly committed with fortune teller Miriam Pacheco, who has committed the most heinous, immoral crime in the state of Florida.